friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project, we have learned that how to build one image slider in JavaScript, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now in this project, we will see that how to build one edition game project in JavaScript, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you enjoyed my previous project of JavaScript. So let's start. Now over here you can see I've just made this edition game project in JavaScript. Okay, so in this edition game project over here you can see there is written like 3 plus 9 equal to. Okay, so over here you have to write your answer. Okay, so I will just write correct answer over here, like it is 12, so I will just write 12 over here, and now I will press check. So over here you can see now there is answer coming like this page says correct. Okay, because our answer was correct. Now here you can see when I have just checked the answer correct, then now my other answer has come. Okay, so if I just take a wrong answer over here, so if you press check, so over here you can see now there's coming this page says sorry, incorrect, the correct answer was 8 over here. Okay, so it will be also telling you correct answer what was that when you are writing your wrong answer. Okay, so here you can see that how easy it is to make that. Okay, so here you can see now our question is changing again and again over here, but it is in addition only. You can't change into multiplication or minus or division over here. Okay, so I will just show you how to make that. So first of all, you have to open your brackets text editor over here, and just you have to go to file which I have just created over here. Okay, and over here I have just already linked my style sheet also with my HTML sheet, and over here I have just already linked my JavaScript sheet also with my HTML sheet. Okay, so now here you have to come underneath your link style sheet, and over here I will add all the codes which I have to write. So first of all I will add h1, then over here I will add addition game, and over here I will add project. So now when you've done that, you have to come over here and write div.container, and now in that I will just write anything which is called like come over here and write like addition. Okay, so it is a tag from that you can write only, you can get only addition sign when you are making anything like calculator or any project. So we are making addition game project, so I will just write one tag which is called addition. Okay, so over here I will just write random tag. Okay, so in this random tag I will write my all the number which I have to plus. Okay, so I will just write like 2 plus 9, then I will copy that and I will just paste that like 4 to 5 times. Okay, so I will just paste that many times. Okay, not should be 4 to 5. So now when you've done that, just have to come and write like randomly 5 plus 1, then here I will write like 6 plus 5, then write 9 plus 1. Okay, so these all will be coming randomly. Okay, so I will just show you how to do 9 plus 8. Okay, so like that I'm just writing, and I will write 5 plus 4. Okay, so like that I'm writing, and all will be coming just randomly over here. So I will write 2 plus 5, then write 5 plus 2. Over here you have to write a thing which is called, just come over here and write 8 plus 1. So write over here like 5 plus 1. So when you've done that, just you have to hit save, and now your work has been done of HTML. Okay, so here we have just small of the HTML. Now we have to just do our work with our CSS. Okay, so I will just go to my work.css file, and over here I will just create this sign, and in that I will add margin. So I will add margin should be 0 pixel. Right over here padding should be 0 pixel. Write the box sizing over here, so I will add box sizing which should be bottom box, and you have to come over here and write justify content in center. So I will add justify content in center, and then when you've done that, right over here align items in center, and right over here just come and write display flags. So I will write display flags, then here you have to come and write like write font size. Okay, so I will just write font size should be 12 pixel. Okay, so when you've done that, all this you have to come and write font weight should be 400, and right over here like font family. Okay, so I will write font family of like open sans comma sans serif. So when you've done that, just you have to come and write over here body, and right over here margin should be 1 pix, and padding should be 3 pix. Okay, means 3 pixels. So over here when you've done that, write font size again which should be 12 pixel, then here I will just change it to 12 to 14. Okay, so now it is good. Right, font weight should be 700 now. Okay, so when you've done that, write justify content again which should be center, and I will just set float into right over here. Okay, because I want my thing which I am writing should be in right, and write display flags. So I will write display flags. Come over here and write float like I'm telling you which should be right. So we have done till over here. Right over here I think which is called flex wrap. Okay, so I will write wrap. Then here you have to do like write r over here, and now when you've done that, just you have to do like that. And now we've done till over here dot container you have to write, then come over here and here you have to copy these all things which I have just written in body, and over here I will come underneath and I will paste that, and just I will just do one thing, like I will just change it to 15. So I will add 15 pixel. So now here when you've done that, just you have to hit save, and now your work of CSS has been done. Okay, so here now we have done with our CSS work, and now we have to do with our JavaScript. Okay, so I will just go to my JS file, and first of all I will create another tag which is called function. So I will add function, and in this tag you have to define your brackets, and over here I will just write like that, and write let equal. Okay, first of all write let body equal, and over here you have to write like just write document dot query selector, and write over here like just come and write like that, and write body over here. Okay, so when you've done that, just you have to come and write let container now, and equal to document dot query selector again. Okay, so I will write query selector, and now when you've done that, just you have to come and write dot container because it is a class. So when you've done that, write again write let, and over here I will just write like come over here and write h1 equal document dot query selector. So I will write like that, and now when you've done that, just have to come and write h1 like that. So we have done till over here, write h1 dot add event listener, write over here array again, and now comma and write button now. So when you've done that, just have to come and write dot on click function, and write over here function, and now we have done till over here, just come and write over here h1 dot and write container over here. Okay, so I will write container, then come over here and write h1 comma on click function, then write button comma and write e tag, and with that I will write function tag. Okay, and over here I will write anything which is called body. So when you've done that, just you have to come and write like that, come over here and write anything which is called on click. So I will write on click dot button. Okay, and over here you have to come and write math dot random, and write over here dot len, and write function dot floor. So I will write floor. So when you've done that, write over here floor dot math. Okay, so just come over here floor, and write over here math dot random. So when you've done that, just you have to come over here and write len dot function, and over here I will write dot e tag, and with the help of that I will write floor tag, and over underneath that I will write body. Okay, so when you've done that all this, you have to come over here, and here you have to write function, and write over here e tag, and write dot, and over here you have to write floor random dot math dot joke. Okay, so I will write joke tag over here. Okay, because it is really important that you have to write over here, write body tag over here, and again you have to write function. Okay, so just erase that because we will just write underneath that. So when you've done that, just you have to come over here. Okay, so just close that again because it is not just going good. So now it is good. Just you have to write floor dot random, write over here again which is called, okay, so just write like that. First of all write array comma button. So when you've done that, just you have to do like that, and here you have to also close these all things. So we have done till over here, hit save, and now if I show you, it will just looking really cool. Our addition game is now ready. Okay, so if I just show you, so over here you can see how beautiful our addition game is looking. Okay, so if I just write correct answer over here, okay, so now over here you have to do like that, and now just check. So over here you can see now the answer is incorrect. So over here you can see there is written sorry incorrect, the correct answer was 12 over here. Okay, so like that you can do. Okay, so if I just do like that, and now here when you have done that also, here you can see again the answer is coming. Okay, so now if I write correct answer over here, okay, so now here if I write 8, okay, so because it is a correct answer of that, so now here you can see now the answer is coming correct. So here you can see there is written this page says correct. Okay, so over here you can see how it is easy to make one addition game project in JavaScript. So I hope you understand that how to build one addition game project in JavaScript, and I hope you also enjoyed this project like you're enjoying my previous project of JavaScript. So just you have to practice this all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of JavaScript also like you are of Python and HTML and CSS. So I will just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.